If a tire event happens to one of your trucks on the road or in the yard, who's your driver's first call? Well, it doesn't need to be a call at all. There is a one-stop platform that connects stakeholders through a single portal, removing the middleman and speeding up response times. Introducing Bridgestone Fleet Care's web-based service event management platform, part of our comprehensive suite of services and tire solutions. Our service event management platform is a centralized communication source that promotes efficiency in several ways. Here's how it works. If a driver has a service event on the road, they can report the event through the mobile app. GPS pinpoints the driver's location, and all parties are brought into one maintenance ecosystem. The event is created, and the fleet selects their preferred service provider, and everyone is updated in real time as the repair is completed. Our approach to service event management is more than an emergency roadside service platform. It allows you to manage all core maintenance events, planned or unplanned. If a fleet performing a pre-trip DVIR identifies an issue, it's easily assigned to a service provider and fixed before becoming a costly and time-consuming issue on the road. Bridgestone's service event management platform excels at providing greater insights into service events and allows your fleets to proactively stay ahead of any tire maintenance and service. Using a single shared platform that streamlines communication and enhances efficiency for fleets and dealers. Contact your Bridgestone dealer today to learn more.